So it's another hot day, and we're headed out over to the beach. We're gonna take a little beach trip. So hopefully we'll get to record some fun in the sun. My hair looks like a mess. No thanks to the humidity. Out here in Laguna Beach, and we're enjoying the suns, the rays, the heat. It's really humid. It's kind of strange. A lot of people here too. Sarah and Cassandra's got busted by a lifeguard right there. Where's he at? Lifeguard walking somewhere there. And they were like, "Hey, you're not supposed to be in that rocks." Ma'am, how does it feel to be a lawbreaker? She loves me.
Tristes lloran mis cansados pájaros, mirar que se apagó la lámpara, mi amor con grande ánimo, cuando tú te mostrabas más cándida, pero al ver que eres tan antipática y conmigo te muestras benévola, mis pupilas ya no encuentran lágrimas para llorar mi soledad.
Move our car way over there. Let's go see it in the corner. Because if you didn't move the car after you paid in the spot, you're gonna get towed or a ticket or something like that. Not having it. She ain't having it. I ain't having it. So one of my favorite things in Laguna Beach are the garage doors. Obviously a garage door contractor like myself. Look at this door right here. Isn't it a beauty? You can't see it in the shade, but look at that door. It's beautiful. Beautiful door. Nothing like it. Hello. ¿Qué pasó?
Vi a Santiago que venía con su teléfono.
Drum, your local drum.
I wanted to bring the drum, but Sarah didn't let me bring it. Because didn't want me to bring it. There we go.
Rafa, come sing. Sweet pea. Alright, they're missing those.
Boo! Here in Laguna Beach, and Mikey. What do you think, Mikey? What do you think of? What do you think about California? You like it?
Yeah, I like it.
See? He's a man. He's a man of many wisdoms, very knowledgeable. Man of little words, but he's got a lot of wisdom. So, what do you like best about California beaches? What do you like the best?
I don't know. Many things. Yeah.
Many things. Look at that. Many things. Not just one thing. Many. So, thanks for hanging out with us, Mikey. You're the best. So apparently, Sarah and the gang, all the girls, they went on this train ride. this trolley ride that goes around Laguna Beach, and well, they got lost. They're in Dana Point somewhere. It's crazy. Laguna Beach is an area for great custom homes, and back in the day when I used to work this area, I did a job right there in those hills, Laguna Hills. Fixed the garage door. It was a very big door. I don't know why I like doors so much. What do you think, girls? Beautiful sunset? Jojo, you almost drowned, right? Poor Jojo. Cassandra didn't drown.
Gotta be smart.
Cassandra's smart.
What they're going to say, like a stone away jar. The cold never bothered me anyway.
Each day was a success. A success. Success. Can't even say anything. Beach day was a success. Sun went down. Sunset right there. All the brothers are happy. Till next time.